guys, it's me, Jay Woods, and if you want to see how I got to this little look right here, just keep on watching.
Alright, here I'm trying this kind of new makeup brand. It's called Kim Chi Chic Cosmetics. Basically, it was started by a drag queen called Kim Chi. She was on RuPaul's Drag Race. I loved her on her season. So I'm using this product. It's called the Pot de Cream. The shade is Cashmere. It is a beautiful liquid eyeshadow. It went on so beautifully. It's nice and metallic. It gives you a nice, like, almost like a foily type of look. I went over it with a brush just because the applicator made it apply a little bit streaky, but it was really nice. Next, I went into a product called Diamond Shards. Yes, that's really what it's called. Basically, it's a liquid glitter, and I just put that over my lid just to add some extra sparkle, you know, give it a little razzle dazzle. So here I went back into the pot de cream, and I just put it in my inner corner and also on the lower lash line just to brighten it. And I wanted to show you guys how nice liquid eyeliner actually applies over that Diamond Shards product. Usually it is so hard to put a liner over a glitter. I also picked up this, it's called the Most Concealer, and basically I got it way too light, but after I blended it out and added powder and all that, it actually looked really, really good. Next time I'll get a darker shade because I did really enjoy this concealer. So then I wanted to use a setting powder. It's called the Puff Puff Pass setting powder. I just put some on the cap. I dipped my beauty blender in there and I just pretty much stamped it underneath my eyes. This is actually in the shade Banana, which has a little bit of yellow to it, which I feel like it helps with my concealer. So I just wiped it away with my brush, and it's looked gorgeous. So I also wanted to try the lip gloss, even though I hate lip glosses. This one was super duper pigmented. I was so surprised by that. I look like 2009 Nicki Minaj, and I kind of loved it. So this next shade is called Natural. I feel like this is such a beautiful everyday shade. It is so pretty. I feel like it's kind of similar to my natural lips. And then this final shade, I forgot what it's called, but I love it as well. It's so pretty.
Alright guys, here is my finished look. I had to put my hair up because it was annoying me. But just to go through the products, so the Pot de Creme, I don't know how exactly I should pronounce this, but I did really like this. The only thing is that I feel like it went on a little bit streaky, so I would suggest applying it with like a synthetic eye brush rather than using the applicator in this, just because you get a way smoother application. And next up is the Diamond Shards. I am obsessed with this product. It is so good. If you like the Stila glitter, you will absolutely love this. I personally think that this is better than the Stila glitter, just because since it is finer. I remember when I used to use the Stila glitter and I'd have to put my eyeliner on over it. It just never worked out. Like, it'll just look super duper chunky. But with this, I was able to put my eyeliner on over it, my liquid liner, and it went on super duper, like, smooth. I was kind of shook, but I definitely love this product. I also enjoyed the concealer, even though it is kind of light for me. I feel like with my bronzer and my setting powder and all that, I feel like it definitely worked out. The only thing is that I wish that the brush was a little bit bigger, but I do understand that this ranges in shades. They have some really light shades and some deeper shades. So basically they want you to use it to conceal, highlight, and also to contour. So if you are going to contour like your nose, for example, this thinner one will probably be better because you just probably want to draw the lines on your face and then blend it out with a brush. But yeah, that's like my only complaint. I just wish that this was like bigger or fluffier or something. But yeah, so this powder, when I first applied it, I was just like, oh, okay, it's like good, whatever. But honestly, looking at it now, this powder is everything. It just looks so smooth. The powder is very fine, so it doesn't look cakey at all. And I feel like I kind of put a lot of powder. I definitely put more powder than I usually do. I like almost baked it, which I hate baking, but I like kind of baked it sort of, and it went on so nice. I'm like still shook by this. The fact that this is only $18, it brings a lot of products. How much product is in here? But look at how big it is. It brings a lot of products for $18 and for something that is as good of a quality as this is. I'm so into it. I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna use this every single day, especially in the summer. So then next is the lip glosses. Like I said, I honestly don't even like gloss, but I did really enjoy these. They don't feel sticky at all. The pigmentation is amazing. One thing I hate is when glosses have no pigmentation because I'm just like, what did I just pay for? I just paid to make my lips a little bit shiny. I just could have put like Vaseline on it and it would have been the exact same thing. But with this, you don't have that issue. You definitely get really, really beautiful pigmentation. So with this first shade, the peach pink, it did go on streaky, but it is kind of like a pastel shade, and usually pastel lip products, it pretty much always goes on a little bit streaky. So you would most likely want to use a lip liner before you use this. However, these two shades did not go on streaky at all. They went on perfect. They look so freaking nice. So even though they look very similar, the first one I tried on natural, it's more of a warmer shade and it's a little bit lighter. And then this one, earthy, which is the one I have on right now, it's a little bit more of like a cool tone gloss. I really love both of these, and I feel like if you have a deeper complexion, this would be beautiful as like a nude lip. It'll look so gorgeous on deeper complexions. But yeah, I really love the pigmentation of these lip products. It makes my lips look so juicy. Let me know what you thought down below. Let me know how you feel about this finished look. And if you've tried any of these products, definitely let me know. Or if you watched Kim Chi's season of RuPaul's Drag Race, because I really loved her on the show. She was awesome. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.